Good morning, students. Exercise 13.7, class 9. First question is find the volume of the right circular cone with radius 6 cm and height 177 cm. So, on the shape of the cone will be this. The radius will be 6 cm and height will be 7 cm. Okay. The volume of cone is equal to formula the 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3, the value of pi 22 upon 7. In the given question, radius will be 6, therefore 6 into 6 and height will be 7. 7 to 7 cancel, 3 2s are 6. 44 into 6. 6 6 are 40. 264 centimeter. In the second question, same second question, volume of cone radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. The volume of cone is equal to formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3, the value of pi 22 upon 7. Radius is 3.5 into 3.5 and height is 12. 7 5s are 35, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20, 44, 44 into 35, 154, 154 सेंटीमीटर. बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चन थे, आपको सिर्फ फार्मूले वैल्यू पुट करनी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. Question number second, find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius is 7 cm and slant height is 25 cm. In the capacity, that is the volume of the cone. In the volume of cone, slant height is not used. We find the height. Therefore, the formula of slant height is equal to radius square plus height square. Slant height square is equal to, this is the shape of a cone. This is the slant height, this is the height and this is the radius. So slant height square is equal to radius square plus height square. Slant height is equal to 25 square. Radius is 7 square plus height square. 625 is equal to 49 plus height square. 625 minus 49 is equal to h square. 576 is equal to h square. H is equal to root 576 to h is equal to 24 centimeter. ठीक है? तो height find the 24 से find the volume. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by the value of pi 22 upon 7. Radius is equal to 7 into 7 and height is equal to 24 centimeter. 7 to 7 cancel. 3 8s are 24, that is 7 8s are 56, 22 into 56, 1 2 3 2. 1232 centimeter. Centimeter is converted to liter. 1232 upon 1000 liter, that is 1.32232 liter. Again repeat the question. Find the capacity of liters of a conical vessel with radius 7 cm, slant height is 20 cm. Height is equal to next question में height दिया और slant height दिया. First we find the height by using the formula of slant height square is equal to radius square plus height square. So therefore height is equal to 24 cm. Find the in the second question is only use only height and slant height. We find the radius. Same formula. Height is equal to 12 centimeter and slant height is equal to 13 centimeter. Find the radius. देख लीजिए आप. तो slant height is equal to 13 square is equal to radius square plus height is equal to 12 square. तो 169 is equal to radius square plus 144. 169 minus 144 is equal to radius square. 25 is equal to radius square. So radius is equal to root 25. The radius is equal to 5 centimeter. I will find the volume. Same formula. Volume of cone is equal to and radius is equal to 5, 5 into 5, and height of the cone is equal to 12. 3 4s are 12. तो आया कौन में 7 22007 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर क्यूब कन्वर्टेड टू मीटर तो 2200 अपॉन में 7 into 1000 मीटर, that is 200 कैंसिल, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, तो 11 अपॉन में 35 मीटर. यहाँ पर देख लीजिए सही. In the question, height and slant height has been given. We find the first, in the second question, we find the radius. Radius is equal to 5 centimeter, and we find the volume. Volume is equal to 2200 upon 7 centimeter cube. Centimeter is equal to converted to meter divided by 1000, that is 11 upon the 35 meter. Okay. Third question, the height of the cone is 15 centimeter. If the volume is equal to 15707, find the radius of the bell. That is, the volume of cone has been given is equal to 1570 centimeter. That is, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 157. Height has been given is equal to 15 centimeter. 1 by 3. The value of pi in this question is 3.14. We find the radius is square, and height is equal to 15 centimeter is equal to 157. 3 5s are 15. So r square is equal to 1570 upon में cross multiplication 3.14 into 5. Point कैंसिल करेंगे 20 आएगा. देख लीजिए 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, that is 3 1 4 से 100 times. R square is equal to 100, so R is equal to root 100, R is equal to 10 centimeter. Due to simple question, volume of cone is equal to, as given, 1570 centimeters cube. The volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1570. That is 1 by 3. The value of pi in the question used is equal to 3.14, and solving this question, the radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Fourth question is, if the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi. Same question, volume of cone is equal to 48 pi centimeter. The volume of cone, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 48 pi. क्या इसे pi cancel 1 by 3. We find the diameter of base. That is, first we find the radius, and diameter is double of the radius. The volume of pi 1 by 3 r square, height will be 9 centimeter is equal to 48. 3 3s are 9. So r square is equal to 48 upon 3, 16. So r is equal to root 16. So r is equal to 4 centimeter. Diameter is the double of the radius. So diameter is equal to 2 into 4. So diameter is equal to 8 centimeter. बिल्कुल simple question था. But the question, volume of cone 48 pi. The formula of volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi cancellation of pi to pi. Therefore 1 by 3 r square, height will be 9. 3 3s are 9. Cross multiplication, so r square is equal to 16. 16 is equal to square root of 4. That is, diameter is equal to 8 centimeter. Of top diameter is equal to 3.5 meter. The radius is equal to 3.5 upon 2 meter. And is 12 meter deep. Deep will be height. Height is equal to 12 meter. Find the capacity in kiloliter. First we find the volume of cone. So volume of cone is equal to, formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3. The value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Radius is equal to 3.5 upon 2 into 3.5 upon 2, and height is 12. Cancellation 7 5s are 35.5. 2 से 11 times cancel, 2 से 6 times cancel. 3 2s are 6. Multiplication 5 2s are 10, 1 11 5s are 11, 5s are 11, 33, 11 3s are 33, 33 और 5 38.5 meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kilometer. So that is 38.5 kilometer. 1 second, do a simple question. That is a conical pit of top diameter is 3.5. The radius is the diameter, half of the diameter, that is 3.5. Deep means height. Height is equal to 12 meter. We put use the formula volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square. Solving this question, that is 38.5 meter cube. 1 meter cube is 1 kiloliter, that is 38.5 kiloliter. Okay. Next question, the volume of a right circular cone is 9,856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find the height of the cone. So given volume of cone is equal to 9,856 centimeter cube. The volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 9,856. To 1 by 3, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. The diameter of the base is 27 cm. Diameter is equal to 28 centimeter. Radius is equal to half of the diameter is 14 centimeter. That is 14 into 14, and height we will find is equal to 985. 7 2s are 14. Height is equal to cross multiplication 9856 into 3 upon 22 into 2 into 14. 11 2s are 22. 14 3s are 42. फिर 2s are 2 से 16. तो h is equal to 48 सेंटीमीटर. अब देख लीजिए, हाइट इज इक्वल टू 48 सेंटीमीटर. अब नेक्स्ट अपने को निकालना है स्लैंट हाइट. तो स्लैंट हाइट इज इक्वल टू l square is equal to r square plus में h square. L square is equal to, in the question radius is equal to 14 square and height is 48 square. तो l square is equal to 196 plus में ये आएगा 48 into 48 23 तो is equal to l square is equal to 2 6 4 10 9 10 10 2 5 0 0. तो l is equal to 50 centimeter. First we find the height. Height is equal to 48 centimeter. Second we find the slant height. Slant height is equal to 50 centimeter. अब next is curved surface area. So curved surface area is equal to 2 pi rh. 2 into 22 upon 7. Radius is equal to 14 and height is equal to कर्व सरफेस सॉरी पाई आर कौन है ना पाई आर है सॉरी कर्व सरफेस पाई आर 22 upon 7. रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 14 सेंटीमीटर एंड स्लैंट हाइट इज इक्वल टू 50. तो कितना आएगा 2200 सेंटीमीटर. नेक्स्ट बस देख लीजिए एक बार वापस. तीन चीज फाइंड करनी थी, हाइट ऑफ द कोन, स्लैंट हाइट ऑफ द कर्व. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द height of the cone, second we find the slant height, and third is curved surface area. देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 दिया हुआ है कि right circular right triangle ABC with side 5 centimeter. First we draw a right angle triangle ABC. The side is 5 12 and 30. The hypotenuse, the longest side, that is 30 centimeter, and revolve about the side 12 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter. Radius is 5. Revolve about side. This is right angle. अगर मैं इसको revolve करूँगा इस तरह का ही बनेगा. ठीक है. इसको घुमाओ right angle इसे तो अपना क्या बचेगा? Find the volume of solid. That is height is 12 and radius is 5. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi. Radius is 5 square. Height is 12. That is 3 4s are 12. 25 4s are 100 pi centimeter cube. In this 8th question is same. Revolve about the side 5 centimeter. Same question है. Revolve about the side 5 centimeter, that is a 13 centimeter. A, B and C. Revolve about the 5, that is height is 5 centimeter and radius is 12 centimeter. Both conditions will be different. In the first condition is revolve about the side 12 centimeter, and the second condition is revolve about the 5 centimeter, that is height is 5 centimeter. Revolve about 12 centimeter, that is height is 12 centimeter. In this condition, there is a shape of the cone this side, and the volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi. Radius is 12 square and height is 5. That is 12 into 12 into 5 into pi upon 3. 3 fours are 12, 5 fours are 20, 245 centimeter cube. In the 8th question, find the ratio of 7 and 8. The ratio of 7 question and 8 question, the answer of 7 is 100 pi and the 8 question answer is 240 pi. Pi से pi cancel, so 2 5 it is 5 ratio 12. बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. A right circular triangle ABC 5 centimeters, 12 centimeter, 13 is longest side is 13 centimeter, 5 and 12. According to question, revolve about the side 12 cm. That is the height is 12 cm. Revolve about the side 12 cm. That is the shape of the right angle, and revolve about the side 12 cm. That is the shape of the cone. That is the height is 12 and base diameter is radius is 5 cm. So find the volume of. In the second question is, next question is 8. Revolve about the side 5 cm. That is height is 5 cm, radius is 12 cm. And next is to find the ratio of both two condition. That is 100 pi upon 245. That is 5 ratio 12. Okay. A heap of wheat in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter. So that is radius is equal to 10.5 upon 2 meter. And height is 3 meter. Find the volume of it. The volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by the value of pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2, and height is 3. Cancellation of 3 से 3, 2 से 11 times 7 से, तो क्या है 11 into 1.5 into 10.5 divided by 2. That is 173.25 divided by 2. That is 86.625 centimeter. That is the volume of this heap of the wheat. Next you find this is covered by the canvas. Find the area of canvas. So first we find the strength height. L is equal to root mean r square plus h square. L is equal to radius is 10.5 upon 2 square and height is 3 square. That is L is equal to root 2 to the 4 plus 9. 10.5 into 10.5 is 110.25. 110.25. L is equal to LCM is 4. 110.25 plus 36. So L is equal to upon 4. 110.25 is equal plus 36 is 146.25. 146.25. So L is equal to 146.25 is 12.09 upon 4. 4 is 4 का स्क्वायर 2. L is equal to 6.045 centimeter. That is the slant height. Slant height. Next we find the curved surface area. The curved surface area is pi r l. That is 22 upon 7. Radius is 10.5 upon 2 and L is 6.045. 7 से कैसे 2 से 11 टाइम कैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 11 1.5 into 6.99.74 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. देख लीजिए वापस. First we find the volume of cone. Second we find the slant height because the curved surface area will be find. In the curved surface area the formula is pi r. In the use of slant height, the slant height is by using slant height. We find the slant height by using the radius and height. L is equal to under root r square plus h square. Slant height is 6.045. Put the formula, answer 99.74 centimeter square. Okay, thank you.